Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need the emoji keyboard enabled. Once done, open WhatsApp and pick any chat. Tap the text field to reveal the globe or emoji icon. Press it to switch. If you don't see emoji, go to Settings, General, Keyboard, Add New Keyboard, and choose Emoji. Make sure your iPhone is updated so emoji versions match WhatsApp's rendering. Now that the keyboard is active, you're ready to browse categories, use the search bar, and place emoji in line with your message. Once the emoji keyboard appears, you can tap categories or use the search field to find exactly what you need. Long press an emoji to reveal skin tone or gender variants. Select one to insert the chosen form. Make sure to observe WhatsApp's emoji suggestions above the keyboard for quick replacements. You can mix emoji with text, add stickers, or use memoji to convey nuance. This helps avoid misinterpretation. If you want repeated characters, tap multiple times or hold for the repeat behavior where supported. To finish, tap send and your emoji will appear in line with the message. You can press and hold a received message to add an emoji reaction instead. For animated options, open the sticker panel and choose memoji or Animoji. Make sure recipients run compatible versions so emoji render the same. Otherwise, they may appear differently. If an emoji doesn't show or the keyboard vanishes, re-enable the emoji keyboard in Settings, restart your iPhone, and update iOS and WhatsApp. This usually resolves version or cache issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.